In the bright hill town of Luma, little Milo, a curious blue raindrop, lived inside a fluffy cloud named Nimbus. Milo had a best friend, Sunny, a shy sunbeam who loved peeking through clouds to warm the world below. Every morning, Milo asked the same question. "Nimbus, why do we rain?" Nimbus smiled, his edges glowing silver. "Because the world needs us." One day, Milo looked down and saw cracked soil, droopy flowers, and a girl named Anya staring sadly at her empty garden. Milo's heart wobbled. "She needs us now," he said. Nimbus nodded. "Then it's time." Milo held hands with hundreds of other raindrops. Sunny hid behind Nimbus, whispering, "I'll be back after." Whoosh! Milo fell, laughing as he tumbled through the sky. He landed softly on a leaf, slid into the soil, and soaked the thirsty ground. The flowers lifted their heads. Anya smiled and danced in the rain. Soon, Sunny returned, shining warmly. Milo slowly rose again, lighter now, floating back into Nimbus.